Perfect. Perfect.
Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the I Can Only Be G channel. It's your girl G, aka Glennice. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to take this space in my house and create a little school, or a little area where my daughter will be doing her homeschooling. So I just wanted to go ahead and just show you guys how I decorated it, how I set everything up, and I'll let you guys know where I got everything from. My daughter is going to actually be starting kindergarten this year. Say hey, girl.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
She's going to be starting kindergarten, and unfortunately, due to you know what, I just feel that it'll be safer for her to go ahead and do it at home for now. So without further if you guys are interested in how I revamped this space and got it set up for her kindergarten homeschool, I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet, but maybe I'll do another video on how I get everything set up for this school year. So if you guys are interested in this type of content, go ahead and comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, if you enjoy looking at this type of content, because I have a lot more videos like this coming in store. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the space, and we're going to get into this video. All right, y'all. Yes. It's been a long day and I'm tired, but I also purchased these from the Dollar Tree. These are educational posters. This one has some vowels, long vowels, short vowels. This one is shapes and colors. This one are emotional posters, identifying your feelings. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these up too. caddy to go from there, and also an eraser. This was $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. The eraser was $1.99, and these were $6.99. Also got these little containers from Dollar Tree, so they were $1. These little desk organizers comes with like 6 little compartments. We also got some color pencils and bought these little troll stickers, so you know, just when she does a good job with something, have a sticker. I have a lot more books, but I just found these at the Dollar Tree. This is Ready to Read, Daniel Goes Out for Dinner. That was at the Dollar Tree, as well as Daniel Plays at School.
Mommy! Mommy!
We got construction paper. We got photo paper, putting out pictures and stuff. These were also at the Dollar Tree. And a cute little desk topper, just to give her some motivation. And it lights up. It lights up. I thought that was cute. Y'all see that? So that can go on her desk. Look right. You can light your desk. It says, let it go.
I like it!
And we also got these little pencil boxes. All from the Dollar Tree.
I like it!
I purchased these containers from Target.
I love it, Mommy.
Oh, I'm so happy you love it. These little containers with the lids, and these were $1.50 at Target.
Now let's go. Mommy, please. Mommy, 4. 9. 8. Mommy, why don't you? Mommy.
We also got some glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. And I purchased this cute chair from Target. It was on sale for $25. It's just something where we can sit down and read and things like that, just to make this area more comfortable and cozy. I do have to purchase her a desk chair. I wasn't able to find it at Ross, Walmart, or Target, so I'll probably end up having to order it online, or I have to go to a Target in another city where I've seen a cute little desk chair, nothing special.
I like it. I like it, Mommy.
I'm so happy. And
Hi,
then also,
I'm happy, Mommy.
oh, high five. Ugh. Then also, I'm
Mommy,
gonna.
I like it.
Good. Can I finish?
Okay.
I'm also going to. What?
Wait, play right here.
Okay. I also have an educational rug that I have downstairs. I might put it up here, or I might just purchase another rug for up here. But so let me go ahead and put all this stuff away, and I will show you the final reveal. I just want to thank everybody for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel, and if you like content like this, go ahead and comment down below. I have a lot more things that I am going to be doing as far as homeschooling, coming up with a lesson plan, and all other types of stuff. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching, keep on the lookout for my channel. Until next time, you guys, peace out. So I decided to share the space with my baby girl, creating a home office slash homeschool room. So I decided to add a few things. Go ahead and check it out.
Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chase.
I truly thank everybody for taking time out to watch the video. And if you made it this far, you're the real MVP. Thanks for watching. This is just the beginning stages of our home office / homeschool room. I wanted to incorporate more colors and more books and toys and things like that for Soraya. But this is the beginning. In the future, I will do an updated homeschool / office tour and show you guys how I further transformed it. But I'm very pleased with it, and I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the like button. Comment down below what you liked about it. If you are a homeschooling mom, let me know some tips and things like that, and also some videos you guys would like to see. So without further ado, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, you guys, peace out.